Have you ever wondered how these beautiful crystals are made? So in this video, we will break down the science behind. Learn the process crystallization by making these beautiful crystals. In this experiment, we will be dealing with supersaturated solutions, such as by adding salt in water, that will create such a salty solution. That is one of the supersaturated solution. So let's get started. The materials are egg, water, different kind of salt on your own choice, coffee cup or any heat cups, spoon, food coloring in any color, cardboard, egg tray, parchment paper or mini muffin tin. Please do this with parents' guidance. Step 1. Crack the egg as narrow as possible. Step 2. Clean the eggshells using hot water, because the hot water will cook the egg membrane, and you should get the egg membrane to avoid spoilage and the blackening of the eggshell, to preserve the eggshell as long as possible. Step 3. Use an egg carton lined up with parchment paper. Step 4. Use a saucepan to heat the water. Step 5. Pour half a cup to a cup of water into your heat-proof container. Add 1/4 cup of salt to the boiling water and let it dissolve. When the solution is ready, pour the solution in a cup. Step 6 is to add food coloring on the solution. Step 7 is to pour it in the eggshell. Make sure to not fill it up because the eggshell might tip. Put it in a place where no one might destroy. Let it sit for 1 day. And done. You will now have a beautiful crystallized eggshell that you can design. How did it work? Dissolving the crystals in hot water created what is called a supersaturated solution. This basically means that the salts took advantage of the energy of the hot water to help them dissolve, until there was no more space between molecules in the solution. As the solution cooled, the water lost its energy and the crystals are forced from the solution to become a solid again. Since this happens slowly along with the evaporation, the crystals have time to grow larger than they were when the experiment started. Hope you learned something today.
I gave you my heart.